Hey there, and quick review on these LED lights. They are very nice. As you can see, they fold up into a small compact footprint. If you're not going to be using them, makes them easier to store. But then you do have the ability to direct the light, whether it be straight down, if you want to orient these all so that they're flat and the light goes straight down, or if you want to broadcast it out a little bit, you can direct these around like so. Installation of these lights is a piece of cake. It's got your basic light socket that you would have on a light bulb on the back here. You're just going to want to use a lamp holder or something that has a socket already installed. These are only a few dollars a piece to install on a ceiling box that might already be there, and very easy to wire up. So it makes it very simple to install lights like this. So all you're going to do is screw this in just like you would a light bulb, and it's very, very bright. These are 10,000 lumens each in this particular model, and you can direct that light whichever direction that you want. But very nice product, easy to install. Let me show you what it looks like installed. And here we are installed. As you can see, so much better. This 10,000 lumen light is really ideal. I actually had some 20,000 lumen lights in here, and it was actually a little bit too bright. It was a little bit harsh on the eyes. But this is perfect. Nice color in here, and this is safer because these are not going to get hot like an incandescent light bulb is, and they use way, way less energy than a large incandescent light bulb. And I'm gonna go ahead and install these lights here in this wing of my storage building. As you can see, not very bright, and it's got that ugly yellow color. That made an absolutely huge difference. It is so much better in here. It's a better color light, and it's so much brighter. You can actually see what you're doing, and it really projects the light all around and kind of floods the area nicely. So I think I'm gonna have to take these bulbs and replace all of these guys out here. You can just see here, comparing the quality of the light, these are cheap incandescents. And then we move over here to this area where we've got the LEDs, and it is so much brighter, so much nicer over here. So excellent, excellent product. I'm super happy with this.